Hi everyone, it's Melissa over at the Whispy Traveler. Today we have something really special for you. We are going to be making Jello Play Dough. If you like what you see, hit like, hit subscribe. Now on to the activity. Alright guys, today actually is kind of dedicated to Miss Amy, who is my co-teacher right now in the Young Toddler room. She posted on our Songs and Stories site a recipe for Jello Play-Doh, and I thought it would be really fun to put in our smush bags. Now guys, why are we making these smush bags? The smush bags have come into fashion because one of the things that's challenging with the new regulations from COVID is sensory. So we're finding all different fun ways to incorporate it. And the one way we have is with smush bags. So we put all sorts of smushy things in a plastic bag and they pat it and they squeeze it and they show us what they can do with it. All right, so we're gonna put in 1 packet of Jello, a half cup of cornstarch, and we are going to mix up that cornstarch. We're going to make it nice and fluid. Mixing a little too hard, guys. It's going a little bit of everywhere. Alright, so that's all nice and mixed together. So the next thing we're going to put in is we're going to use my handy dandy little tablespoon, and it says we need 1 tablespoon of laughter, or water. Water works. And then we are going to mix it again. Let's mix that up again. Mix, 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 mix. You guys hear Lucy in the background? She is having a great time with some ice cubes back there. 1, 2, put in 2 more, and then we mix, and we mix, and we mix. Guys, this is getting thick, it's getting hard. And it tells me we need to do it again. So let's do it again. Let's add some more. I added 3 that time. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's getting a little mushier. Oh. Let's calling for a little bit more laughter, guys. A little bit more. Oh, it's coming together nice. It's coming together real nice. A little sticky, but that's okay. It's made with Jello. All right. I'm gonna get my hands in there. I'm gonna smush it with my hands. Oh, this feels nice, guys. This feels real nice. It's nice and gooey and it smells really good. Kind of feels like taffy. Definitely feels like taffy. It's bright, it's red. It looks kind of like a Jolly Rancher. All right. Guys, so that is our activity for today. I'm going to give some to Lucy. I'm going to see how she likes it and how sticky her hands get with it. And we will see you in our next video. Bye, guys.